Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Calculate the length x of the right-angled triangle shown. And we've been given a right-angled triangle with an angle measuring 49 degrees, a side of length 26 centimeters, and a side labeled x. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. There are generally two strategies for solving a problem involving a right-angled triangle. When the lengths of two sides are known, Pythagoras' theorem is applied to find the third side. Alternatively, when the length of one side and the measure of an acute angle are known, or the lengths of two sides are known and the measure of an angle is required, trigonometry is used. In this question, we've been asked to find the side labeled x, and we've been given an angle and a side, so we need to use trigonometry. The mnemonic SOHCAHTOA can be used to recall the three trigonometric ratios, where the sine ratio is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, the cosine ratio is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, and the tangent ratio is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Answering this question is a four-step process. First, we need to label the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent sides before deciding which trigonometric ratio to apply. Then, after substituting the values we've been given, calculate the length of the side x. To begin, we need to label the sides of the triangle given to us. And this triangle has an acute angle measuring 49 degrees and a side of length 26 centimeters. The longest side, opposite the right angle, is the hypotenuse. The side opposite the 49-degree angle is the opposite side. Leaving the side labeled x as the adjacent side. That means we know the value of the hypotenuse and need to find the length of the adjacent side. The appropriate trigonometric ratio is therefore the cosine ratio, where the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse is equal to the cosine of the angle, in this case measuring 49 degrees. So, the cosine of 49 is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, which is x divided by 26. Isolating x to find its value, we need to multiply both sides by 26, eliminating 26 from the right side of the equation. So, 26 multiplied by the cosine of 49 is equal to x, which gives us a value of x equal to 17.1 centimeters. Rounded to 1 decimal place. For more explanation and examples of trigonometric questions like this, search our channel for trigonometry. As an extension to this question, what if we were asked to find the opposite side instead of x using the same triangle? Which trigonometric ratio would we need to use? So, the length of the side labelled x, and the answer to this question is 17.1 centimetres. Read our blog at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.